Good morning. Today I am planting Supertunias from Proven Winners, Royal Velvet, and Bordeaux. The majority of them I picked up on clearance, and I just wanted to show you. I happened to pick these up just a few days ago. Those I picked up a few weeks ago. They all looked just like this when I purchased them on clearance, and in those few weeks time, that's now what they look like. So what I did is I came in when I brought them home and I gave them a good haircut, cut all the dead stuff off, the scraggly looking leaves, watered them real well. I kind of babied them, put them in the shade a little bit and the sun. These take our heat and the sun very well, but when I was trying to bring them back to life, I didn't have them in the sun all day long. And I want to give Moya at Garden Addicts credit. I would have never thought to start buying clearance plants had I not started watching her channel. And I love watching her channel. She has so many hydrangeas, and it's so fascinating to watch her be able to bring stuff that's on the brink of death back to life again. So I want to just give her credit, because I have really never purchased clearance plants until I started watching her. I'm not sure if I have enough. If I don't, I'll have to run down and get some more. By purchasing the majority of these on clearance, I probably saved over $100. Proven Winners are a little bit more expensive, but I understand why. They really are worth it. Each year from Proven Winners, I will order from their website a couple of cans of their continuous release plant food when I'm planting annuals, and their water soluble that'll come in once a week. And it's granules, you'll be able to tell. And this right here, the water soluble, is like a powder form. That's what it looks like. And I'll do that once a week after I get them all planted in. I've also been trying to invest in some augers. That does make planting go a little bit quicker and a little bit easier, so I'm going to be using that today as well. I let the drip run for a little bit just to make sure that it was working okay. The violas and the calendula had covered it so much, I just wanted to make sure that the drip was running properly before we put mulch on top. These will grow up to 12 inches high and 24 inches wide. And my hope is that they'll all grow together to where you won't see where one plant ends and another one begins. These will last us at least until a hard frost, which could be as early as October, probably won't be until December or January. Lucky for me, they like full sun and they do well in the heat. It's early in the morning, so by the time they start receiving sun, it'll be close to around 11-ish, and then as the sun starts to begin to set, the camphor trees will begin to filter it from the hottest part of the day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye.